Hello everyone, this is Tech Rehab, and in today's video, we are going to try restoring this insanely damaged iPhone 11 into a fully functional, refurbished iPhone. Make sure to watch the whole video to see if we successfully did it or if everything went wrong. Okay. So firstly, I bought a brand new frame because as you saw, the whole metal part with all the buttons broke right of the frame. Now the new frame wasn't an Apple original one, it's an OEM part because my supplier didn't have any brand new Apple frames. So I bought an Apple logo back glass to make it like one. I know it isn't an original one, but I really wanted a brand new frame, and finding an original with not any scratches or scuffs is not that easy and cost effective. But finding an OEM part can be same quality and a better deal. Okay, so now I will need to clean the wireless charger a little bit because it has some glasses stick to its old adhesive. I need to clean this because otherwise it won't stick to the frame and it will probably break or damage the back glass once it's installed. Now I am going to remove everything from the broken frame part. The buttons are completely useless now because they have their flex cables cut. So we are only going to need the metal parts that are used to make the actual buttons click properly. In order to have working buttons though, I have some 100% working ones that I removed from an other iPhone 11. After removing everything from the broken frame part, I will screw them to the new frame as it didn't come with pre-installed ones. This process is very time-consuming, so it's better to buy a frame with pre-installed ones. Also, I am removing the motherboard, the sensors and the cameras from the old frame. The face side probably won't be functional now because it's been exposed for a long time and with any small touch, it stops working. But I will show you an easy method to make it work, even if it says it's not functional. Now this is my favorite part. Let's glue the back glass back to the new frame. And now, wait about a day to fully stick to the frame. Okay, there we are. It's been a day, so let's remove the rubber bands because it's fully glued by now, and start working on the inside. Alright, I also installed the sensors and all the buttons left, and as you can see, they click as they should. Now let's start working on the old frame. Let's remove everything left from the old frame, like the Taptic engine. The speaker and the charging flex. The charging flex needs some heat to remove. But the most annoying one is the speakers mesh these little wires going on the bottom of the frame to secure dust from entering to the speaker and for better sound quality. After removing these, we are done with the old frame and we are ready to start installing them to the new one. Okay, let's install now the wireless charger with the MagSafe to our new frame. Time for the motherboard. Now the most important part of every iPhone. If the motherboard has a problem, then the whole phone won't work. So I need to be extra careful. Seems nice, so let's also install the rear camera and the selfie one with the Face ID. Okay, so after buying a new battery for our iPhone, I need to spot welded so that it shows the battery percentage. I had the original iPhone's battery, but it was extremely swollen, so I removed its original BMS board to weld it to the new battery. That's it. Now let's put the battery stickers back, and it should appear as an original battery to our iPhone. Okay, done. Let's see if it does. I connected a new screen, and let's see. Great. It actually appears as an original one, but even though it's a brand new battery. The BMS board has stuck with its original battery health, so we are going to need to program it so that it says 100% battery health. Firstly, let's copy the BMS percentage and get our BMS flex. This helps us program the battery to 100% with our programmer. As you can see, the battery is ready and it's connected to our phone. Let's see if the percentage is at 100%, and it is. We managed to program it successfully. Now let's install the battery properly. Apply the adhesive strips and we are ready with our battery, as you can see. Okay, let's move on with the screen. Now, to program it. We are going to need its original screen with the ear speaker and connect it to our programmer to copy the true tone. Now grab the new screen, connect it to the programmer, and hit right to write the original true tone. Now we should transfer the ear speaker to the screen. The screen is an original OEM part and is the best choice if not using an original one. And let's connect it to the phone to test it. As you can see, True Tone shows on the brightness menu. That means the programming worked. Now let's power it off and disconnect the screen so that we can install our adhesive. Okay, so to fix our face side issue, we are going to need to grab an ear cotton bud and slowly and firmly, we are going to rub it the face side sensor. Okay, we are getting there. Let's connect the screen. Also, I cleaned every fingerprints on the phone. One last test to see if everything works as we want. And screw the protective clips on. And finally, close the screen back and screw the pentalobe screws on the frame. Let's go for the final boot. I think we did a pretty good job, let's see. And yes, it boots on and everything works normally. The true tone appears on the brightness menu. The battery is at 100%. And the Face ID can be set up. I think it's safe to say that we successfully restored this insanely broken iPhone 11. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions or anything you noticed. That's the finished product. The phone is fully functional now. This was Tech Rehab, and I will see you in the next one.